Okay, Avery. Come on. Oh no, where'd she go? She got off her bike. Avery? Avery, get on your bike. No, get on your bike. Go get your bike. Go get your bike. Come on. Let's go get your bike. Go help her out, Luke. Come on, Avery.
Come on, Avery.
Get this stuff on the way. Oh no! Get on your bike.
Get back on your bike.
Back on your bike. Oh. Go get on your bike. Go help her get on her bike. Come on, Avery. Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay. Come on.
Uh-oh.
Can you help her turn? No, maybe she can do it.
Let's do this.
Ooh. See how fast you can go. See how fast you can go, Avery. Come on. There she goes.
I want it up on the TV. I want it up on the TV.
Luke.
I want it on the TV. Come on. Come on. I hope I make out.
You have to hold it with two hands. Here, let Daddy do it. You can look and look. Don't push the red button. Say bye-bye, Avery.
Bye, Avery.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Whee!
Whee! I'm on top of the TV.
Come on. Oh.
keeping an eye on me?
Yep. Watch out for Avery. Whoa. Oh, stop, Luke. Brakes. Brakes, Luke. Brakes. Brakes. You want to stop for a minute and show us your new bike? It has brakes, huh? Okay, why don't you hop down and show us what what it is. What kind of bike is it?
It's a wild bike.
It's a yellow bike? Is it a big boy bike?
Yes.
Does it have real tires?
Yes.
Has real tires?
Yes.
Where is there spiders on it? Yeah.
Yes.
Does it have real wheels?
Yes.
Yep. Does it have brakes?
Yes.
And is it a specialized?
Yes.
Specialized hot rock? Uh-oh. What's wrong with this one over? Okay. Okay, you can get back on. What's wrong? You gonna tell us about your bike? What kind of bike do you have? A red one? Yeah? It doesn't have real wheels, does it? Can you ring the bell, Avery? Ring your bell. Ring your bell, Avery. You all done?
This is at me.
Yeah.
Now to take a look at them. Let me take a look. Now I want to look at my pictures.
Look at them when you go inside.
Huh?
Hop on your bike and keep riding.
Okay. See, it's better. On my bike moves. Like and
Get back on your bike, Avery. Get back on your bike. You okay, bud? You're alright. Hop up.
Okay. I do have a helmet on.
That's why you have your helmet on, huh? Oh no, where'd she go?
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. I'm on the You are keeping an eye on me?
Yep. Want to stop for a minute and show us your new bike? It has brakes, huh?
Yes.
Has real tires?
Yes. Yes.
Specialized hot rock? Uh-oh. Can you ring the bell, Avery?
Take a look at them. Can I take a look?
All right, hop up.